Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create advanced double exposure effect with blend if. Double exposure becomes more natural when blend if controls the tonal interplay. Place the portrait and the landscape image in separate layers. Open layer style on the landscape layer. Adjust the underlying slider to reveal the face through highlights. Split slider for perfect feathering. Suddenly the landscape melts into the portrait beautifully. Unlike masking, blend if reacts dramatically to brightness levels. Add a curves adjustment layer to refine exposure. The blend instantly adopts because the technique is non-destructive. Thanks for watching.